Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button right here. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the touchscreen to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter. In settings, scroll down, find the watch face option and tap on it. And here we can select one of the types of watch faces. We have digital type and analog. Select the one you like. And then you can select the watch style, for example, small seconds. And then we can select the color of the theme. For example, I don't know, maybe yellow. So let's tap on it. And then you can go back to the watch face to see the changes. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.